If you have problems with printing quality, like blobbing or stringing, you might try to change retraction settings for your 3D printer, and it might help, or at least reduce problem. Most software it under extrusion section in printer settings. So open your printer settings, go to extruder, and here you can find retraction settings. So there is two types of extruders in general, Bowden and direct drive. And for both, there should be different settings. For Bowden, you should use not more than 7 millimeters retraction length, and speed should be about 35, 40 millimeters per second, both for retraction and deretraction speed. For direct drive, you should set 1.5 millimeters, and speeds might be same as for Bowden. Don't set higher settings for both extruders, otherwise you might get a different problem like clogging. If you set length too much and speed too much, soft filament might end up in tube and stuck there. So to avoid it, set proper settings. That's all. Thanks for watching.